Okay, taking it back off, see what I see. I try to loosen the cover up and beating around a little bit, see if I can find a sweet spot. Got slightly better, but not really. It's definitely tight, way tighter than I want it to be. Considering I lined the cam cover up with a bushing already installed, I don't understand why it's binding so bad, but obviously it's not happy. Just a matter of figuring out what the hell it wants and give it to it. Or let it wear itself in. If it doesn't break first, it'll be better. I don't like that part though. Alright, where'd my stick go? Alright. See, that's the binding part right there. That's how much binding we're talking, really. Not much. You got really tight clearances, it doesn't take much. And it's showing the wear marks in the same spot. Right there, I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, right where my finger is. Same spot it's been. So the cover needs to go this direction to free up. All right. Looking at the run out, you can see the high-low in the shaft, but from the wear mark, but when you rotate it, you don't see any movement. I'll check the trueness of flywheel again on truing stand just to double check it, but pretty sure it's the same as it was. Alright, at this rate all I can do is try hand scraping it a little bit, right where the high spot is, and see if I can relieve some of this tension. Other than that, I don't know what else I can do. It's pretty even all the way around, actually. You see a little bit of chatter marks in the reamer. It's just tight on the inside edge for some reason. Looks like the bushing's tapered. For the shaft. Shouldn't be because I honed it. The honing would have brought up any difference in that. Yeah, it's pretty much dead nuts on. Looks like it should be because it's honed. Oh, frustrating. Got wear marks here, here, over here, a couple high spots and shatter. Acts like it needs to be made bigger. So I already got clearance on it, plenty of clearance. Don't want to make it bigger. Alright, I'll take it apart and see what I can do. Be back.